How to share photos from PickU to social media. Just made the perfect edit in PickU. Time to show it off. Let's share your photo directly to social media. Fast and easy. Finish editing your photo in PickU. Once you have added all your effects, cutout, filters, and stickers, tap the Save button at the top right corner to move to the final screen. You will see icon for Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Viber, or tap More to choose any app on your phone. Just tap the platform you want. PickU will prepare the image and open it that app for posting. Add a caption or story text and post it or send it. Whether it's a feed, story, or chat, PickU make it seamlessly. Also, you can still save the photo to your gallery first by tapping save and then post it manually later if you want more control. And done. Your photo is now live on social media, ready for likes, love, and comments. And that's how easy it is to share from PickU spread to your favorite platforms. If this helped, hit like and don't forget to subscribe for more fast and fun tips. See you in the next one.